enter our exclamation mark and we enter, by default, this is the tool that we have. Okay, this is the tool that we have. Okay, the character encoding and also the mobile version enhancer. It helps you enhance your website so that you come out cool. Okay, so I think these are the most important things that we need. Okay, you can try to add other ones, right? But yeah, for this you can stick to these two. Okay, so now other things that go into your head, that goes into your head, we have the title. Okay, the title, and we know where the title shows. The title shows here. Okay, you can see that we have documents here. That's why we have documents. So we can try to change it. Okay, so let's change it to add element tutorial. Okay, add element tutorial. Add element tutorial. So let's save it. But by the time we save it and we come back to our browser, we know it has changed to add element tutorial, right? Good. So that's your title. It goes into your head. Okay, it goes into the head. Okay, and that thing that goes into the head is our linking to our CSS. Okay, if we are using an external CSS. Okay, so then for example, we decide to create another file here. Okay, so new file, and we call it style.css. Let's change to small letter. Style.css. Okay, then we save that. So now if we decide to come into our index.html and we decide inside our body we say p, okay, this is a sample website. Okay, and then we save it, and then we come to our web page here. We have, this is a sample website. Okay, so now if we want to style it now and we come into our style.css, okay, then first thing we decide to say, okay, let's just go to direct. We decide to say p, then we say color. Okay, color is red. Okay, then we save it. By the time we come back to our page, it's not showing red. Okay, even though we have declared that p is red. Okay, but it is not showing on our web page that it is red. Okay, so we have to come into our head tag. Okay, then we are going to do our link reel, link this, then we are going to enter style sheet, then okay, let's just use our href. Okay, then we want to link it to our what? Style.css. Okay, style.css, then we close it. Okay, by the time we save